When you pull up to the next car, you want to be seen but not in a cluttered Honda that everyone and their grandmother owns. Instead, you want something distinctive and stylish, but it must still be affordable. In this video, we will showcase 7 affordable sports vehicles that will make your homies jealous. If you don't want to miss any of these, keep watching the video. Number 1. LBSR. Check out this replica of a rally-inspired vehicle from LB Specialized Vehicles if you're adventurous. Their rendition of the 1970s racing legend that launched Stratos is the LBSR. The original Stratos is one of the most iconic vehicles in rally racing. It was conceived by Marcello Giannoni and powered by a Ferrari V6. The LBSR kit seeks to preserve the spear in a much cheaper and more practical packaging. It sports a CAD-designed, torsionally robust space frame chassis that resembles the original Stratos. It can accommodate an even more inexpensive Toyota 2G RFE or a genuine Ferrari V6, similar to the actual rally vehicle. Expect to pay between $60,000 and $70,000 for one of these rally replicas. You will pay a premium for a Ferrari engine instead of a Toyota engine, but expect to pay between $60,000 and $70,000 overall. Number 2. Toyota MR2. Toyota is primarily considered one of the most trustworthy automakers of all time, and Turismo UK specializes in transforming used sports vehicles into contemporary works of art. Their selection of fiberglass body kits modeled after the Porsche Carrera GT is intended for inexpensive sports cars such as the MR2 and 986 Boxster. The Avalanche GT is a kit based on the MR2. It includes a complete set of GRP body panels and an optional roof scoop, engine cover, and interior ornamentation. The beginning price for this conversion is approximately 5,000 GBP, but you will need to furnish the MR2 and build it yourself. Assume you appreciate the notion of a DIY project, but you don't want a precise replica of a miniature Porsche. Number 3. Corvette. The next vehicle on this list is as likely to attract attention as a Ferrari or Lamborghini, but at a fraction of the cost. Many aficionados appear to have forgotten about its older sibling, the C7, which features a 6.2-liter pushrod V8 engine with 460 horsepower and a classic American design. It has many of the same advantages and head-turning aggression as the notorious C8, but at a far lower secondary market price. Currently, you can purchase a Stingray for slightly more than $40,000, so now could be a fantastic moment to buy one at a discount. Number 4. The Jaguar XK. This British luxury manufacturer introduced the XK in the late 1990s, producing 2 iterations till 2015. It was an early Gran touring version of the current F-Type, which uses an XK's chassis and engine. The era-appropriate Aston Martin's V8 Vantage and DB7 are often likened to it. Performance Edition XK-RS have over 550 horsepower from a 5.0-liter supercharged V8 engine. It has a leather interior, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and 2015 top 7-inch touchscreen. The XK weighs nearly 4,000 pounds, yet it has a powerful drivetrain, a thrilling exhaust tone, and a surprisingly good look. This car is pricey, but old ones are remarkably reasonable. Low mileage examples cost $30,000, while high mileage ones cost $40,000. Used Jaguar XKs are often under $20,000 and offer a lot of elegance and performance for the money, making them great for appearing wealthy on a budget. Number 5. Factory 5 Racing 818. If you want something more athletic and unique, consider the Factory 5 Racing 818. It features a highly tunable Subaru Boxer engine, Factory 5's iconic tube kit chassis, and a fiberglass body. The end result is light, affordable, and most importantly, enjoyable to drive. This car, which is smaller and lighter than the rest of Factory 5's lineup, is intended to appeal to a younger demographic of enthusiasts of the next generation of automobiles. It weighs only 818 kilograms, which is almost 1,800 pounds. The kit includes a tubular steel space frame and a distinctive fiberglass body shell produced at the headquarters of Factory 5 in Massachusetts. Number 6. Maserati Gran Turismo. The Maserati Gran Turismo features a strong V8 engine derived from the Ferrari F430 and the distinction of the Italian marque's emblem. That's roughly 400 horsepower of naturally aspirated front engine to 7,000 RPM excitement. Over the years, total production and performance numbers have evolved, but even the oldest models can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. The outside of the Gran Turismo is unquestionably Italian, with a stunning silhouette and commanding stance. Undoubtedly, it will stand out. What sacrifices will be necessary to purchase one of these exotic luxury coupes? In the past, a brand new Gran Turismo could cost well over $100,000, but even in the current economic scenario, old Maseratis depreciate significantly. We spotted several Grand Touring cars for less than $30,000 each. Number 7. Blackwell Widow SPR1. The last one on our list of inexpensive exotics that appear expensive is the Blackwell Widow SPR1. It was created and sold in the United Kingdom by Wayne Blackwell. Blackwell had intended to build the prototype on a fully custom space frame with a V8 motor, but finally opted for a Mazda Miata donor chassis. This makes the Widow SPR1 lighter, cheaper, and more enjoyable to drive than 90% of other vehicles on the road. The exterior design is clearly influenced by the TVR Saharas, but it has enough personality to stand out, and the price is only $4,300. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the 7 cheap cars that make you look expensive. Which of them are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content such as this.